COMBICLICK is a quick change fiber disc system designed to increase the productivity of your finishing department. With no clamping nuts or wrenches required, operators can quickly carry out disc changes in the least amount of time possible. Simply align the star pattern on the sanding disc with the backing pad and twist 1/4 turn to the right to install or 1/4 turn to the left to remove. With no protruding hardware, operators can grind with the entire face of the sanding disc, which ensures maximum utilization of the entire abrasive. Pferd combi discs are offered in general-purpose aluminum oxide, heavy-duty zirconia alumina, and high-performance ceramic for work on hardened metals. Silicon carbide is available for softer materials such as fiberglass and wood. The COMBICLICK system is also offered in a variety of non-woven products for final finishing and blending applications. Aside from the convenience offered by tool-free disc changes, Pferd combi disc lasts 30% longer due to the cooling effects of the vented backing pad. COMBICLICK backing pads are offered in medium and firm hardness depending on the amount of flex desired. From coarse and fine grinding to surface preparation and weld takedown, the Pferd COMBICLICK system offers consistent results and a long service life. With over 200 years of engineering experience, Pferd Abrasives is the clear choice for premium quality fiber discs.